Good morning. We are on the Peshekee River, and pretty soon the train will be coming. We just heard the horn at the beginning. They were tied down on the Green Road last night, and when I got here this morning, it was just stunning. The river was like glass. The bridge was a double in the water. Now, of course, it's not near so much. Lighting was perfect, but that was like half an hour ago. So a little breeze has come up, and now the river is rippling. And that is the Lake Peshekee on the other side of the bridge. So I'm not going to get the dramatic color I wanted, but I'll be back many times. So it is right around 8 o'clock in the morning, maybe a tad after. But pretty excited to be here as usual. This, of course, is the bridge that came from Houghton. It went across the river there. There goes an eagle overhead. See him? So my friend Jim from Maryland is here. He's over there somewhere. Anyhow, here comes the train. Well, that was smooth, wasn't it? Cool. Okay. Beautiful. Now the sun looks better there. Okay, on to Champion.